Hi everyone! In today's video, we are going to talk about the new theming utility commands available in EverShop 2.1.0. EverShop 2.1.0 was just released, and it introduces a set of commands that significantly improve the theme development experience. Let's get right to it. I have a fresh installation of EverShop 2.1.0 here. The first command we'll look at is theme create. This command helps you generate a new theme with all the necessary configurations, like your TypeScript configuration, package.json, and even a sample component. First, let's open our root package.json file and add the command script. Now let's run it. It will ask for the theme name. Make sure to give it a name without special characters or whitespace, then press enter. Okay, as you can see, a themes folder has been created. Inside, we have our new theme folder containing the TypeScript config file, the package.json file, and that sample component I mentioned. Feel free to delete this component later if you don't need it. The package.json file is quite simple for now. It includes a build script to help compile your theme from TypeScript to JavaScript. Now, let's navigate into the theme folder and run this build command. We successfully compiled our theme from TypeScript to JavaScript. As you can see, a dist folder was created here with the generated code. Great. The next command is theme active. This helps you update your configuration and set this new theme as the active one. Let's go back to the root package.json and add this script as well. Now, let's run it. It shows a list of available themes. I'll select the one we just created. It also asks if we want to trigger a build. Let's say yes. You can see what this does is actually very simple. It updates the config/default.json file to enable our theme, and then triggers the project build so everything is compiled correctly. Let's start the project and take a look. Nice. We have our new theme here. It looks almost identical to the default theme because we haven't added much customization yet, but we can see our sample component is loading. Now let's do some real customization using the theme swizz command. First, add the twizz script to the package.json file. Now, let's start our project in development mode. As you know, we can override default core components by creating a new component in our theme. However, this new component must be created in the exact correct path with the exact correct name, otherwise the override won't work. Finding the right file to copy can be hard and time-consuming. The theme twizz command solves this. It will automatically create the override file in your theme folder with the content copied from the original. Let's try this with the logo component now. By default, the logo is in the center of the header. Our goal is to move it to the left side and place the menu in the center instead. To achieve this, we first need to override the logo component to change its area ID. Let's run the theme twizz command now. The command will display all available components for overriding. We'll search for the one we want by typing its name, use the up and down keys to select, and then press enter. Okay, the logo component file has been successfully created in our theme. Now, let's open it up and change the area ID in the code. As you can see, the logo has moved to the left. Now we can go to the admin panel and move the menu to the center. And that's it. We have just overwritten the logo component successfully from our custom theme to rearrange our header. I hope this tutorial helps you speed up your theme development. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.